Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About Cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Prius. Let's just say, Toyota went bold with this redesign. But did they manage to maintain the Prius's reputation for incredible fuel efficiency while making it a more exciting car to drive? Let's find out. First impressions. Gone are the days of the dowdy Prius of the past. The 2024 model boasts a sleek, athletic look that makes a real statement. It's definitely a head-turner. Interior design. Hop inside, and you're greeted by a modern and comfortable cabin. The materials feel high quality, and the layout is intuitive and driver-focused. The big news here is the new Toyota Multimedia System, which features a larger touchscreen and all the latest smartphone connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Amazon Alexa. Performance and efficiency. Now, let's talk about what really matters, how this Prius drives. Toyota has revamped the hybrid system for 2024, giving it a bump in power without sacrificing fuel economy. You're looking at an estimated 59 mpg in the city and 60 mpg on the highway, which is simply phenomenal. Plus, with 194 horsepower on tap, this Prius actually feels sprightly around town. Safety features. Toyota knows safety is a top priority for drivers, and the 2024 Prius comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features as part of the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control. Trims and pricing. The 2024 Prius comes in two trims, the XLE and the Limited. The XLE starts at $29,045, while the Limited will set you back $36,060. Both trims offer excellent value for the money, considering the impressive fuel economy and long list of standard features. Warranty. The 2024 Prius comes with a competitive warranty package, including a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. This gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of any unexpected issues. Conclusion. So, what's the verdict on the 2024 Toyota Prius? It's clear that Toyota has taken the Prius in a bold new direction. It's not just an eco-friendly car anymore, it's a stylish, well-equipped, and surprisingly fun to drive hatchback. If you're looking for a car that delivers exceptional fuel economy without sacrificing performance or features, the 2024 Toyota Prius is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining us on this review of the 2024 Toyota Prius. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the new design and improved performance. If you're considering a new Prius, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.